The third season of the Bihar at 2047 Vision Conclave, organized under the Let's Inspire Bihar initiative, concluded successfully in Bengaluru with participation from over 1,200 delegates, including entrepreneurs, industry professionals, and members of the Bihari diaspora from India and abroad. Addressing the conclave as chief guest, Bihar Industries Minister Dr. Dalip Jaiswal stated that the state government is committed to building an investor-friendly and secure industrial ecosystem with a strong focus on entrepreneurship and startups. He highlighted ongoing policy measures aimed at improving the ease and security of doing business in Bihar. Senior IPS officer and campaign patron Vikas Vaibhav said the development of Bihar requires collective effort beyond divisions of caste, community, and religion. He emphasized entrepreneurship and citizen participation as key drivers for achieving a developed Bihar by 2047, and noted that the campaign has grown into a large national movement. The conclave, held at the Oxford College of Science, Arts, Commerce, and Management, also featured discussions on education, entrepreneurship, and inclusive development, along with recognition of select startups and professionals. Organizers said the event aimed to connect the diaspora with investment and development opportunities in Bihar and contribute to the long-term vision of Vikshit Bharat at 2047.